Yun mo, smell do. Oo. Kaya mo naman kasi maniwala.
Parang di naaahit.
Hindi, tanong natin kay ano.
Di mo nga, kuya dito. Kuya dito. Patayin nga nito. Ay, maniwala ni Smiley, oh. Ano ba yan? Ito, tingnan mo, oh. Oh. Ano ba naniniwala si Smiley? Bayo ko dyan. Ito to, oh.
Oh, hindi! Hindi! Wag! Wag! Paano kaya kung hindi nakita yun? Wala na saan mo pa yung kinain kahapon.
Aroy, aroy. Agoy, agoy.
Gago! Walang masama, walang bastos doon. It's all nature.
Tura left, tura left. Tura left, tura left. Tura left. Every
Aray ko. Yung intense na talaga yung pagbubuhat mo or yung pag-pull-ups mo eh. Pabigat na pabigat. Naiwan yung utak saan.
Aroy, aroy. Agoy, agoy.
Yung ako nakala ko. Buti na lang putek. Paano na lang kung Peace!
Aray mo, tukap.
So, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Yan, shoutout tayo. Okay, first shoutout tayo kay Jean Cloud Olivia. Yan, from Quezon City. Thank you for being solid follower. Next po kay John Eric Palmares from South Cotabato. Next po kay June Fats Folgueras. Next po kay Akira Montero Yamado. Yan, what's up? Next shoutout natin kay Jo Mola Marho and kay Jeff Real Joy Sagana Lamong Con. Next po kay Rafael Rase or Raise. Yan, and shoutout din po kay Rafael Macaranes. Yun ang pala ang pangalan niya, Rafael Macaranes Rase. Yan, sorry. What's up? Next po kay J. Jomondiong from Mindanao, Iliga City. And next po kay Jo Marie Mercado. Yan, and of course, sorry. Si Jo Marie Mercado pala is from Cavite City. Hey, what's up, Jo Marie? And that's it, guys. Yun na po last shoutout natin for today. Until to the next time, guys. Abang-abang lang po tayo sa mga shoutout natin. And syempre, this video is for entertainment. Kaya, good vibes stand by dito. Okay? We're just having fun. Okay? As always, guys, take care. Peace and one love.